You know what that means.
Crispy chicken. Crispy chicken. Crispy chicken.
You know what that means.
Crispy chicken. Crispy chicken. Crispy chicken. Crispy chicken. Oh. Crispy chicken. Fresh lettuce. 3 cheeses. Ranch dressing wrapped up in a tasty flour tortilla. Crispy chicken. Wrapped up in a tasty flour tortilla. Crispy chicken, fresh lettuce, green cheeses, ranch dressing wrapped up in a tasty flour tortilla. Crispy chicken. Crispy chicken. Wrapped up in
No, bitch, you smell like you want to be alone. I don't have no more fucks to give about you and your bitch-ass, drunk-ass mother. I would be trying to kill myself if I was your mother. Motherfucker, I don't care if you have surgery scheduled to save your fucking life. Meet me at the office now.
Where the fuck are my cigarettes, bitch? Didn't you go get me some cigarettes and some red licorice? It wasn't a hard dilemma. It was real simple. Red licorice,
I felt bad
cigarettes.
for the guy at the store, and he asked me for